Printing in Excel can be very tricky if you have several columns that extend past the printer page cutoff. In this demonstration, I will be showing you how to keep the column headers visible while printing on every page, while also maintaining this row with the names that match up and are shown on every page related to the data. In this current page, we are not certain of where the page breaks are, and we can easily do that by clicking Page Layout. Here we can see where the page breaks are. This would be each page that is printed, and we can scroll, but quickly discovering there is no row name attached to this. All we have is a page number that would somewhat help us associate the data to the name that is here. Excel's default is set to print vertically first, so page 1, and then page 2, the list would continue, and then once it gets to the bottom, it then will start back over here on page 3. And this is a problem because this data no longer appears associated with page 1. I'm going to show you how to set print titles so that it will print with a name, with a column title on every page, and printing from left to right and then down. Let's go ahead and begin. First, choose the print layout. We'll move to print titles. We'll go to rows to repeat at the top, which would be each column title. We will select that, and you can select any cell that is in the top row, the row that you want repeated on each page. Next, we will select columns to repeat at the left. This would be our names, our name list in this case. We'll select it, and we'll go ahead and click the B, and that'll copy all of the names in that list. If we wanted, we could also copy A. Selecting A and B is also okay. We're printing horizontally first before printing down, so we will select over and then down. A print preview will show us if we have everything the way we want it before we go ahead and click print. And having just clicked print, here's the document that would come out of the printer. As we scroll down, we see Luis is still number 1 with his data across the top. We will scroll down. Here's page 2, and Luis's information is still at the top. Shoulder stretch, quarter 1, quarter 2. If we continue to scroll down, he's still at the top, all the way pacer, curl-ups. And on the last page for this group of data, we get through push-ups, and then lastly, we can see this trend continue on page 5. The data starts over, printing left to right, as many columns as there are, before it prints the next set of data. And that's going to do it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy computing.